What is happening? What is happening, YouTube? Nice to have you on. And I'm here with another video because I honestly want to come out here and actually talk to you a little bit more about the process and guys for you. So let's just make my screen a little bigger so that you guys see my face as well. Great. Good to have you on. Good to have you on, guys. Welcome to another week. And we're going to be putting on much more content this week, so make sure to have a look. In fact, I've just finished up the setup. I'm really excited about this. I just finished up the setup of my my funnel. And when I say setup, I mean basically if you want to get my funnel, which will teach you everything that you need to know about marketing and cryptocurrency combined. Teach you how to generate traffic, how to get leads, how to follow up with your leads, and how to keep the machine moving no matter what. In a week or so, I'm going to be traveling, and it's still going to be working for me because I have everything planned until the end of July and then the end of August as well. So things are moving well. I'm very happy about it, and I believe that you can benefit from it also. So I'm just going to talk about a little bit about my plan and let you guys know how everything is working. But I wanted to be on my Facebook and let you know also that you can reach out to me on Facebook itself and get to it. Okay, so let me just share my screen. I wanted to share it, although in another way. So just give me a second, guys, because I want to share the whiteboard with you. I'm not sure if you can see my face as well if I share the whiteboard, but I think you guys can. So let's just get this big. Okay, and let's draw for you a little bit of what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to draw a funnel for you. Oops. I'm horrible at this, but I'm going to do my best, guys. I'm going to do my best to draw a nice funnel. Actually, I shouldn't be doing it that way. So let's go from here, go inwards, 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 inwards. Okay, great. This is my funnel. So I just want to show you guys why this is so important and the mindset behind it. Okay, and maybe I'll go to my Facebook. I just want to repeat something that I wrote earlier on today. Okay, I wrote two things. Firstly, daily actionable strategies have helped me stay consistent, and this is a really big pro tip for you. Okay, and somebody commented, go all in with mindset and personal development. It helps to get more through all the downs. And then yesterday I also mentioned this, which I think is very, very important for you guys. Step it up daily. Do not be afraid to try and stick with the method. It will work for you. Perfect it. Okay, perfect. That is the idea of what I'm going to show you guys today. Okay, there's a funnel, and this is specifically how anything works. Okay, it's basically a funnel proposal when you think about it, but this is how things work in any business, guys. And I'm serious. If you're an online marketer or not, you're going to have to think about this. Okay, firstly, you're going to have to figure out how do you get people through the door. How you get people through the door. So this is the place you need to get people in. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, this is the place that you need to get people in. Guys, just give me a second because I can't really. Yeah, that's it. So this is a place where you need people in. Okay, keep doing that, and that would be. Let me just move this around. This is where you need to get people in. Okay, that's your aim at the end of the day. And we want this to be your only aim. So you get people, which we're gonna call leads. Okay, leads come in. I'm going to show you the process, and I'm going to show how we actually deal with it. Okay, these are leads. Now, leads come in and they go through different sections. So let's change my color. I'll just put black, and let's start doing black, and then purple, and then blue, and last but not least, orange. Great. So let's put green, and I want to show you guys something. So what happens is that there are different steps. Okay, there are different steps that at the end over here, you actually are just undo this. You're actually coming out, and what this ends up in, okay, I'm just going to put an arrow here to show you guys, is dollars. Okay, this is a process for you to get this right here. This is what we're aiming for, right? So let's go to green again, and when people come through, there is a few things that you need to do. Okay, you need to have firstly a product, so you need to sell them something. Sell. Okay, that's the reason why I'm writing sell like this, but you will see. Okay, and all of this is different sections of selling. Okay, different efforts, different sections, and at the end of the day, it comes to a sale. Now, when you do get the sale, what your aim is after that is to take a portion of this, so say 30%. Okay, 30% is a good amount. Take this and put it into this, so that you are actually then selling. Now, I'm writing selling here because I don't want to mention the specific product. Okay, I'm trying to give you guys an idea of what exactly needs to be done. So through this whole process, there's a different method, let's say, in how the selling. This is a low, okay, low ticket, and it goes to this one right here down will be a high ticket. Okay, this is the difference. There's a low ticket and this is a high ticket. So that's why a whole sales funnel can go through a process where you figure out exactly how much is a person worth for you. Okay, for you. But what we do is we basically send people in. So we pay for traffic first, send people in. They go through the whole sales process with the marketing system. In my case, with the marketing system that we use is Online Sales Pro. Okay, we send them to a funnel where Online Sales Pro presents all of this product. So this is the product, this is the product or service, it's the product service, the product service, the product service, and we teach a strategy. In this whole way, what I'm doing is teaching you guys a strategy. Now, this is a secret that not many people will tell you, but it's easier to lead with a strategy rather than to lead with a product sometimes, especially if you don't have the product. So I do have all my products in my system, in the Pro system. I have it, I've done it, I've lived it, I've used it, and so I can easily make this kind of system for myself. Okay, they go in, and if I get 100 people going here, maybe I will just get one person to make one sale every 100 people. So my aim is to continuously get 100 people, 100 people, 100 people, and my product should be equivalent to that. So this is a structure, this is the formula that I use. I have to put people through the funnel so I can sell, and then get a sale, and then use it again so that it loops in itself. Now, the sale can be from low to high ticket, and that's why you see such a growth. So you can say one customer is worth average this much amount. Okay, hopefully I'm getting through to you guys that the Pro system is built in this way as well. We sell, but we also proactively manage everything through a marketing system that does the selling for us. So I wanted to come up with a mindset video today for you guys and understand that there is a strategy involved in the Pro system. It's not just come out of the picture and nothing, right? So I just want to quickly write clear, and I want to tell you what I'm doing. So I have a few things. Okay, I have FutureNet and FutureAd Pro. Okay, FutureNet. Okay, I have Online Sales Pro. I have my cryptocurrency, which is iCoin Pro. Okay, and then I have my passive. I'm gonna put passive here. Passive and traffic. This is literally what I do, guys. Everything is built on Online Sales Pro. Okay, I have the product, which is FutureNet, and I sell it through Online Sales Pro. The same is I sell iCoin Pro and cryptocurrency efforts through Online Sales Pro. Okay, and this is on the back end. This is back end. Okay, back. Let's go B Okay, this is the back end product itself, the passive. Now I buy traffic and I send that traffic here, and this traffic then goes here and here. I make a sale and it goes back to this. This goes back to this. So as you can see, it goes back to this, which allows me to get more traffic and go here. And this flow never stops no matter what. Okay, hopefully this looks like a big smiley, as I can see right now, which is quite a good thing to have. But if you guys got and understood the whole idea behind this, let me know in the comments. If I was not clear enough, let me know in the comments. But I wanted to show you guys today how it's possible for you to actually build a system yourself or leverage another system in order for you to get results in an online business and an offline business. Okay, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I'm going to see you on the next video. Keep continuing to provide value to your audience because they need it, they want it, and they are craving for it. Have a great day.